Hi, second grade. So let's go ahead and see what we're doing for math this week. So first you're going to click on materials and then you will scroll down to the math folder right here, the green one, and scroll down to the math for the week of May 4th through the 8th. So you can click on that and then you have your two discussions in here. So you can click on this for Tuesday and it has all the pages you can work on and some information there about SumDog for you to practice. And then you can click on the graph below and try to make your own graph. So what you could do is I would go to activities and then try picking picture graph. That's the one that I found worked the best. So that was picture graph number 2. And then you can kind of play around with it a little, but you need to hit this button where it says set up the graph features and just hit OK. And then once you do that, you can come over to the rows and set up how many rows you would like to have in your graph. Then you can come over to here and you can choose a picture. So if you look through here, there's some different pictures that you can pick from. So there's food, there's fruit, there's materials, so there's all kinds of stuff. So you could say, okay, do one bananas and then one with cherries and then one with strawberries. And maybe you're going to see which is the favorite fruit. So you ask people about that. And then when you want to add the numbers, you can push these buttons to show how many people liked that fruit. So you can just play around with that if you want to. And there's different ones that you can try to do just to see. And then if you want, you can always take a screenshot and show me the graph that you made. And then this is your question for today. So you can answer this question down below by hitting the discussion button. And it just says how many children chose apple from this graph. So you're going to take a look at this graph and then write your answer in for the discussion. And I'll be so excited if you also send a screenshot of your graph. And then you can practice putting this timer on down here. And of course, you're going to have to reset it. Yeah. So it's set for 90 seconds. And then you can practice your math facts like we do in class. So you don't have to write these down because you can't write on this, but you could say the answers out loud, or you could write them down on a piece of paper if you want to. And then see how many you can finish in the time that we would have at school. And then maybe tell me in your comments. Remember, you can click on this comment button and also just click on video recording or audio recording. If you don't want to type your answer, you can always share that way. So that's for Tuesday. And then Thursday's math is right here. And the same thing you can click on. You can look at this to show you about SumDog and the lesson that we're working on for the day. Now, this part tells you the pages you could work on, but like I said before, you don't have to do every single problem on every single page. And then this says for the math on the spot video for collecting data, that's just right here. So you can just click right on that and it'll play for you. So you don't have to worry about clicking on there. And then the same thing. So you can practice your math facts. Again, you can press the timer and then practice your math facts here just by saying them or writing them down, however you want to choose. And then you can answer this question below using this graph. Which breakfast food did the fewest classmates choose? So you can write that in for your comment below. And that's math for this week. Bye.